Hello everyone, welcome back to Elite Link Online. I hope that you guys are taking good care of your health as well as your studies. On that note, I am here today to do a short story by Jhumpa Lahiri titled Gogol's First Day. Now, Jhumpa Lahiri ने एक novel लिखा था which is a very famous novel titled Namesake. और ये जो आपका chapter है, this is an excerpt from that novel. So आपको syllabus में पूरा novel नहीं है, you just have this short story, this chapter, one chapter from her novel in the form of a short story in your syllabus, right? So let's just do a little bit about the background of this chapter and perhaps the author. Alright, so Jhumpa Lahiri basically was born on 11th July 1967. She was born in London. She was raised in Rhode Island, Kingston. Now, her parents are also Bengali, so she is of Indian origins, of course. So she is the daughter of Bengali Indian immigrants from the state of West Bengal. Her parents actually moved to London, so that is why they are called the Bengali immigrants. So she understands how the life of Indian children, shapes up when they live in abroad, right? So her first novel is The Namesake, and उसी novel में से हमको ये chapter जो है, this chapter is one of the small chapters in her entire complete novel. Lahiri is currently a professor of creative writing at Princeton University, which is in US. Now, coming to the characters of our story. So we have three main characters in this story. There is a couple, Ashok Ganguly and his wife Ashima Ganguly, right? So let's see a little bit about Ashima Ganguly. She is a homemaker. That means she is a housewife. She takes care of the house. She doesn't work anywhere as yet. Initially feels isolated in America but grows accustomed to it over time. So when they moved, Ashok Ganguly basically moved to America. ये सब चीजें आपके chapter में नहीं है, but I'm just giving you a little bit of background to background to our characters. So Ashok Ganguly lived in Bengal. He met with almost a fatal accident. I mean, it was a really bad accident. He did not die, he survived. But just after the accident, he decided that he doesn't want to live in India anymore. He wants to go to America. So now they move to America, and the wife, Ashima, she initially feels a little lost. क्योंकि obviously उसका जगह change हो गया है, she doesn't have a friends or family there. So initially she felt a little isolated, थोड़ा सा lonely feel करती थी. But धीरे धीरे she got used to America, its practices, its everyday life. So eventually she got accustomed to it. Now, who is Ashok Ganguly? Ashok Ganguly is a professor of engineering. He moves to America for graduate studies after a near fatal train accident in India. Like I told you, एक accident के बाद he moved to America, and he also studied there in US. So he completed his graduate studies there. Then they have a son whose name is Nikhil Ganguly, but Bengalis have this nickname thing. I mean, a lot of us have our nicknames, but Bengalis particularly nickname their kids, and from my experience, like all my Bengali friends, they have very interesting, slightly funny nicknames, right? So now here, they also, Ashima and Ashok Ganguly, they also named their son Nikhil. They wanted to give him a nickname, जिसको कि Bengali में डाक नाम बोलते हैं, which means nickname. So they call it डाक नाम, D-A-R-K नहीं, D-A-K. Dark नाम. Okay, so now Nikhil is the protagonist, and जैसे जैसे निखिल बड़ा होता जाता है, now he's living in US, right? Going to schools in US, he has friends who are Americans, लेकिन he has Indian roots. So एक culture है जो घर पे follow हो रहा है, और एक culture है जो उसका वो जिस culture को वो expose हो रहा है outside the house. So there is always a fight कि कौन से culture को follow करे. There is always a problem. And this is one problem which kids from other countries, when they move to US, they undergo this problem a lot. And a lot of our movies and our novels, I mean literature altogether, there is ample of examples where people address this issue of identity crisis कि यार हम इंडियन हैं या हम अमेरिकन हैं, कभी हम इंडियन बन जाते हैं, कभी हम अमेरिकन की तरह लाइफ स्पेंड कर रहे हैं. सो व्हाट इज इट एग्जैक्टली? ये जो बच्चे हैं ये क्राइसिस बहुत ज्यादा फेस करते हैं, right? So now this is what our Nikhil is also going to face in the novel, and eventually he comes to terms with the fact that he is a Bengali, he is an Indian, and he accepts that. But by the end of the novel, वो इस chapter में नहीं होगा, but I've still given you a picture of the entire story of the novel. So he struggles with his identity, especially his name and his parents' Bengali traditions. उसको ये पूरा टाइम एक fight चलता रहता है उसके दिमाग में कि which culture to follow. Okay, where to place myself, ये एक problem निखिल की throughout the novel रहती है. Okay, and this particular chapter is focused on the selection of a name, that whether this child wants to be called Nikhil or he wants to be called Gogol, जैसा कि उसका father अशोक गांगुली चाहता है. So Gogol basically is a character from अशोक गांगुली के favorite author की novel में से. Okay, and he wants to, I mean, that author is also like Gogol is basically Ashok Ganguly's favorite author, and he wants to name his son after his favorite author. अब ये अपना Gogol क्या करता है, that is what we are going to see in this chapter, whether he chooses Nikhil as his name or he chooses Gogol as his name, right? Now we will read the chapter. You have the text with you. I'm going to read from the same text. Alright, so Gogol Ganguly is a young Bengali boy who lives in America. He is about to start going to school for the first time. His parents, Ashok and Ashima, tell him that he will be called Nikhil when he is in school. Gogol has never been called Nikhil before, and he cannot understand why his parents have made this decision. So the theme of this particular chapter is this. I mean, the entire plot revolves around this little boy who is going to go to school for the first time, and his parents want to name him Nikhil on the official papers. But बचपन से उसने अपने लिए गोगोल सुना है. As a nickname, they used to address him as Gogol. So वो उसको लगता है कि उसका नाम गोगोल ही है, right? And he doesn't want to change this name. And the entire struggle of the parents and of the child and of the teachers at school, ये सारा का सारा इस particular chapter में deal होगा. So let's read it. Gogol doesn't want a new name. पहली ही लाइन हमारे स्टोरी की हमें बता देती है that Gogol को नया नाम नहीं चाहिए. He probably doesn't want to be called Nikhil. So he doesn't want a new name. And इसका reason अब आएगा. He can't understand why he has to answer to anything else. उसको ये नहीं समझ आ रहा है कि यार मैं आज तक मुझे जब कोई आवाज लगाता था तो मुझे गोगोल बोलती थी और मैं हाँ बोलता था, राइट? अब मेरे को निखिल बोलेंगे तो थोड़ा कंफ्यूजिंग है ये उसके लिए. He doesn't want to be called anything else. Why do I have to have a new name? He asks his parents, tears sprinkling to his eyes. So now, we see the pain of this child. He's upset about this fact that his parents are changing his name. He says, why do I need a new name? मेरा जो नाम है मुझे पसंद है वही चलने दो. So, और वो रो रहा है ये बोलते बोलते. It would be one thing if his parents were to call him Nikhil too. But they tell him that the new name will be used only by the teachers and the children at school. So, अब वो उसको थोड़ा कन्विंस करने के लिए, कंसोल करने के लिए बोलते हैं कि भाई बेटा ये नाम तुमको सिर्फ तुम्हारे स्कूल के टीचर्स और तुम्हारे फ्रेंड्स बोलेंगे, इस नाम से तुम्हें बुलाएंगे, निखिल नाम से, बट घर पे हम तुम्हें गोगोल ही बुलाएंगे. सो बेसिकली द पेरेंट्स आर ट्राइंग टू गिव हिम एन ऑफिशियल नेम जो कि उसके ऑफिशियल रिकॉर्ड्स पे जाएगा, एंड दे डोंट वांट गोगोल टू गो देयर इन द ऑफिशियल रिकॉर्ड्स. सो इसीलिए वो उसका नाम ऑफिशियली चेंज करना चाहते हैं और वो उसे कन्विंस करे कि यार घर पे हम तुमको गोगोल ही बुलाएंगे. Okay, he is afraid to be Nikhil. Now this is very important, mark this. सबसे पहले भी एक question जिससे ये line start होता है, जो chapter start होता है, Gogol doesn't want a new name. That is also an important line. And a question can be asked that why does Gogol not want a new name? Okay, so we have reasons here. He doesn't want to be called by anything else. Secondly, he is afraid to be Nikhil. And then there is a hyphen. क्यों है वो अफ्रेड निखिल बुलाए जाने से? That is what is the chapter is going to tell us now. Someone he doesn't know, and who doesn't know him. Underline this. he thinks that Nikhil is somebody who doesn't know him, and he also doesn't know Nikhil because उसको हमेशा से गोगोल ही बोला है ना, right? अगर अब मेरा नाम suddenly, like I know my name is Charulika, if somebody starts calling me Kathy or Suresh or Ramesh, I will be like, किसको बुला रहे हो यार? किसकी बात हो रही है ये? कौन है ये सुरेश, रमेश, Kathy, right? I am accustomed to being called Charulika. I am used to responding to this name. इसके अलावा अगर कोई कुछ बोलेगा तो फिर मैं नहीं सुनूंगी ना, मैं जवाब भी नहीं दूंगी. So this is what he's saying here, that he doesn't know Nikhil and also Nikhil doesn't know him. He's like, कौन है ये निखिल? मैं नहीं अपना नाम चेंज करना चाहता. So he says here that he is afraid to be Nikhil, someone he doesn't know and who doesn't know him. His parents tell him that they each have two names too, as do all their Bengali friends in America and all their relatives in Kolkata. So I've already told you that in Bengalis this is a big thing. Ki there is a proper name and then there is a dark naam, a pet name. So every Bengali would have this very clearly. It's like I am Charulika, my pet name is just Charu. I mean I don't have any other pet name. So Charu देखा जाए तो है तो मेरे main नाम का ही part, right? So there is no nickname as such. But Nikhil and Gogol, like Nikhil का Nikku बनता है तो समझ आता है, but Gogol. So and all the Bengalis have this thing. They have a name, like a proper name, official name, and then their nickname, their dark name will be completely, unrelatable to the official name. So dark name is a big thing in Bengali. So यहाँ पर वो यही अपना culture यहाँ पे explain कर रहे हैं. That भाई देखो हम मम्मी पापा का अशोक और आशिमा के भी निकनेम्स हैं और हमारे सब फ्रेंड्स इन यूएस जितने भी बंगाली फ्रेंड्स हैं सबके निकनेम्स हैं और ऑफिशियल नाम भी हैं एंड ऑल्सो ऑल देयर रिलेटिव्स इन कोलकाता से दे ऑल हैव निकनेम्स सो देयर इज नो प्रॉब्लम विद दिस. वो उसको ये समझाने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं. इट इज अ पार्ट ऑफ ग्रोइंग अप. ही सेज हैविंग अ निकनेम इज अ पार्ट ऑफ ग्रोइंग अप. दे टेल हिम पार्ट ऑफ बीइंग बंगाली. I told you this, that Bengalis have this custom of having a nickname and official name. वो compulsory ही है, right? So now he says that this is a part of us. This is a part of our life. This is a part of being Bengali. They write it for him on a sheet of paper. Ask him to copy it over 10 times. Don't worry, his father says. To me and your mother, you will never be anyone but Gogol. So now the father is trying to convince him, console him, comfort him that तुम टेंशन मत लो यार. For me and your mother, you will always be Gogol. We will always call you Gogol. So टेंशन लेने की जरूरत नहीं है. ऐसा नहीं है कि तुम फिर अब से सिर्फ निखिल ही बुलाए जाओगे और तुम्हें कोई गोगोल बुलाएगा ही नहीं. ऐसा बिल्कुल नहीं होने वाला है. So chill, relax. और फिर वो उसको निखिल लिख के देते हैं और उसको बोलते हैं पेपर के ऊपर like तुम 10 बार लिखो so that you get familiar with this name. So they do this with him. At school, Ashok and Gogol are greeted by the secretary, Mrs. McNabb, who asks Ashok to fill out a registration form. अब ये लोग स्कूल में पहुंच गए हैं और वहां पर obviously आपको registration form भरना है. वहां पर who meets them? The secretary of the principal, Mrs. McNabb. He provides a copy of Gogol's birth certificate and immunization records. So as the official rules go, आपको ये सारी चीजें प्रोवाइड करनी होती है when you are taking admission anywhere, be it school, be it an organization, be it an institution, be it a job. You have to provide your birth certificate and your immunization records and everything that everything is okay on the records. So he provides that, which Mrs. McNabb puts in a folder along with the registration. So वो फॉर्म भी भर दिया और सारे डॉक्यूमेंट्स भी सबमिट हो गए जो मिसेस मैकनैब ने फोल्डर में डाल दिए. This way, Mrs. McNabb says, leading them to the principal's office. And now Mrs. McNabb takes them to the principal's office. The name on the door says Candace Lapidus. So this is the principal's name, Candace Lapidus. Mrs. Lapidus is a tall, slender woman with short, white, blonde hair. She looks at the registration form and smiles kindly at the boy who is clutching his father's hands. So now, Gogol is obviously scared because this is a new place, so he's a little conscious and nervous. So he's holding tight to his father's hand, and Mrs. McNabb very politely and very nicely smiles at the boy, right? And Mrs. McNabb कैसी है देखने में? She is tall and slender with short white blonde hair. So her hair color is different. She's tall and short haired, right? So this is the appearance of Mrs. McNab. Welcome to elementary school, Nikhil. I am your principal, Mrs. Lapidus. और अब मिसेस लैपिडस निखिल को बोलती वेलकम करती हैं. एलिमेंट्री स्कूल मीन्स द प्राइमरी स्कूल, राइट? बिकॉज दिस इज हिज फर्स्ट डे ऑफ द स्कूल, तो प्राइमरी स्कूल में ही जाएगा, सीधा हाई स्कूल में तो जाएगा नहीं, राइट? सो शी वेलकम्स हिम एंड शी इंट्रोड्यूसेस हरसेल्फ. शी टेल्स हिम दैट आई एम योर प्रिंसिपल, मिसेस लैपिडस. Gogol looks down at his sneakers. The way the principal pronounces his name, his new name is different from the way his parents say it. The second part of it longer, sounding like heel. Okay, so now Gogol तो obviously nervous है और शर्मा रहा है, so he's just looking down when Mrs. Lapidus is talking to him. Okay, and he's looking down at his sneakers. वो अपने जूतों को देख रहा है, वो ऊपर नहीं देख रहा है मतलब. And he notices that Mrs. Lapidus is pronouncing his name very different from how his parents pronounce it. Even Nikhil को वो I mean obviously she's talking in the American accent, वो इंडियन एक्सेंट में नहीं बात कर रही है, तो वो ऑब्वियसली निखिल को प्रॉपर्ली ना बोल के, जैसे हम बोलते हैं वैसे ना बोल के, वो निखिल बोल रही है. सो ही सेज दैट द सेकंड पार्ट साउंडेड लाइक हील, इट साउंडेड longer. So she says, welcome Nikhil, because she doesn't know how to pronounce it in the Indian accent. Okay, she bends down so that her face is level with his and puts her hand on his shoulder. Can you tell me how old you are, Nikhil? So she is trying to befriend him. She is trying to be a little comfortable with him, right? So वो उसके कंधे पे हाथ रख के उसको बोलती हैं that कितने साल के हो? Can you tell me how old are you? She is making a very healthy and friendly conversation here. When the question is repeated and there is still no response, Mrs. Lapidus asks, Mr. Ganguly, does Nikhil follow English? So अब obviously Mrs. Ganguly को लग रहा है कि भाई निखिल को इंग्लिश नहीं आती है, लेकिन निखिल तो यहाँ पे अपना मुंह सुजा के बैठा हुआ है कि मेरा नाम गोगोल है, बिल्कुल निखिल बोलोगे तो मैं जवाब ही नहीं दूंगा, राइट? एंड ही इज ऑल्सो लिटिल शाई एंड अ लिटिल नर्वस अराउंड न्यू पीपल. सो दोनों फैक्टर्स हैं यहाँ पे. और मिसेस गांगुली पूछती है उसके पापा से, निखिल अशोक गांगुली से, दैट क्या इसको इंग्लिश नहीं आती है? डज ही फॉलो इंग्लिश और नॉट? पता चला मैं ऐसी भाषा में बात करूँ जो ये समझ ही नहीं रहा है, राइट? सो ऑफ कोर्स ही डज, अशोक सेज. माय सन इज परफेक्टली बायलिंगुअल. So Ashok Ganguly is like, of course, he's bilingual. ये बंगाली भी बोलता है और ये इंग्लिश भी बोलता है, तो he understands English. In order to prove that Gogol knows English, Ashok does something he has never done before. He addresses his son in careful, accented English. Go on, Gogol, he says. Tell Mrs. Lapidus how old you are. So now he calls him Gogol. Like, बताओ गोगोल, अपना नाम अपना कितने साल के हो बताओ मिसेस लैपिडस को. जैसे पेरेंट्स बोलते हैं ना कि बेटा नाम बताओ ना, बोल क्यों नहीं रहो, वैसे अब वो भी बोल रहा है यहाँ पर ऐसे. बट वेरी इंपॉर्टेंटली ये गोगोल ने पहली बार ही नोटिस किया कि उसका फादर जो है वो एक्सेंटेड इंग्लिश में बात कर रहा है. नॉट लाइक हाउ इंडियंस वुड टॉक इन इंग्लिश, बट विद अ लिटिल बिट ऑफ अमेरिकन एक्सेंट, जो वो अपने, बिकॉज द प्रिंसिपल इज स्टैंडिंग देयर एंड देन अब जब वो पब्लिकली सोशली बात करता है तो वो थोड़ा सा अमेरिकन एक्सेंट लगा के बात करता है, जो गोगोल ने फर्स्ट टाइम नोटिस किया है. ओके, सो निखिल हैज, अशोक हैज नॉट डन लाइक समथिंग लाइक दिस बिफोर इन फ्रंट ऑफ गोगोल. What was that? Mrs. Lapidus says. That name you called him, something with the G. So now Mrs. Lapidus also notices that Nikhil को गोगोल बोला उसके पापा ने, and she asks, she becomes curious and says, ये क्या बोला आपने? इसको G से start हो रहा है, आपने इसको ऐसे address किया. Oh, that is what we call him at home only. So now obviously वो तो officially इसको निखिल ही बुलवाना चाहता है. So कह रहा है ये तो हम इसको घर पे, we just call him at home with this name. Okay, so we just call him at home only, but his good name should be is, he nods his head firmly, Nikhil. It's like good name and dark name. Official name, that means good name is the official name. Good name आपको meaning भी दिया हुआ है यहाँ पर, that okay, the custom in Bengal, West Bengal and Bangladesh, 2 names are given to each person, a good name which is used on all the legal documents and a nickname which is used by family members and close friends. The 2 names may or may not be similar. So good name is also an expression common to North India. आपका शुभ नाम क्या है? Is the shared start to a conversation or introduction. कि शुभ नाम जब पूछते that means हम लोग good name पूछ रहे हैं और हम nickname नहीं पूछ रहे. Nickname is only for close friends and family, right? So वो यहाँ पर बोलता है that of course his good name should be, and then he says with a pause, is, and he nods firmly confirming that वो निखिल ही है. ऐसा हम गोगोल इसको बस घर पे बोलते हैं. Okay, so he's clearing the air. कोई confusion नहीं रहना चाहिए principal को, right? Mrs. Lapidus frowns. She's like, what? ये क्या है? मतलब, what is this? Good name. And because in US they don't have this custom. They only have one name for everyone, right? So she frowns. I'm afraid I do not understand. Good name? She's like, कि good name का क्या concept है भाई? मेरे को नहीं समझ आ रहा. समझाओ मुझे. So she is a little confused and she frowns. Yes. Ashok now says, okay fine, I'll explain it to you. Mrs. Lapidus studies the registration form. She has not had to go through this confusion with the other two Indian children in the school. ऐसी confusion उसको बाकी दो Indian और भी हैं, मतलब जैसे दो Indian students और भी हैं स्कूल में, और उसको ये confusion वहाँ पे कभी नहीं हुई इन लोगों के साथ कि there is a good name and then there is a nickname, right? So now she's carefully going through the registration form. She opens up the folder and examines the immunization record and the birth certificate. There seems to be some confusion, Mr. Ganguly, she says. According to these documents, your son's legal name is Gogol. अब आपके birth certificate के ऊपर, आपके immunization records के ऊपर हर जगह पे गोगोल लिखा हुआ है. वो तो उसको बचपन से गोगोल ही बोल रहा है because that is his favorite author's name and he wants to call him Gogol. तो अब हर जगह पर गोगोल चल रहा है and then she says कि यार ये क्या confusion है? अब यहाँ पर गोगोल है तो आप registration form में निखिल क्यों लिख रहे हो? Okay, and she objects to this. That is correct, but please allow me to explain. अब फिर से अशोक गांगुली is now trying to explain कि हाँ हमने वहाँ records में सब जगह पे गोगोल है, but let me explain. That you want us to call him निखिल. अब वो कह रहे कि अच्छा आप ये explain करना चाहते हो कि आप चाहते हो कि हम सब लोग इसको निखिल बोलें. आप ये चाहते हो. You want to explain me this. That is correct. Ashok Ganguly says this. Mrs. Lapidus nods. The reason being, so now she asks, why? Why would you call your son something else, right? That is our wish. ये एक simple explanation है parents की. हमारी मर्जी, हमारा मन है ऐसा कि इसका नाम गोगोल घर पे रहेगा और इसका official नाम निखिल रहेगा. Now we want him to be called Nikhil, right? हमारी मर्जी है ये. I am not sure I follow you, Mr. Ganguly. Do you mean that Nikhil is a middle name or a nickname? Many of the children go by nicknames here. On this form, there is a space and then there is a hyphen again. So, अभी वो अपना पूरा नाम, अपना सेंटेंस पूरा कंप्लीट ही नहीं कर पाए, उसके बीच में ही अशोक गांगुली फिर कुछ बोलने लग जाएगा. बट यहाँ पर मिसेस लैपिडिस बोल रही हैं कि इट्स ओके, हमने तो स्पेस भी बनाया हुआ है यहाँ पर. A lot of people prefer being called by their nicknames. So we have put a space in the registration form where you can put your nickname. But before she could complete this sentence, Ashok Ganguly jumps in. No, it's not a middle name. Middle name नहीं है ये निखिल गांगुली ही है. So do not call him Nikhil Gogol Ganguly. कोई middle name नहीं है ये. So Ashok says this here. He is beginning to lose patience. अब अशोक थोड़ा impatient हो रहा है, वो समझा के थक गया है. He has no middle name. The boy's good name, his school name, is Nikhil. That's it. Okay. But Mrs. Lapidus presses her lips together and smiles. But clearly, he doesn't respond. Mrs. Lapidus is like, but, and she smiles. She's like, देख लो, तुम्हारा बेटा तो जवाब ही नहीं दे रहा है, respond ही नहीं कर रहा है वो निखिल के नाम पे, right? उसको तो गोगोल पसंद है शायद, it seems. Please, Mrs. Lapidus, Ashok says, it is very common for a child to be confused at first. I assure you, he will grow accustomed. And he's requesting her कि it's very common, बच्चे confuse हो जाते हैं क्योंकि उनको बचपन से अपना एक नाम सुनते आ रहे हैं, अब उनको नया नाम मिल रहा है तो वो confuse हो जाते हैं. But I promise you that वो धीरे धीरे उसको इसकी आदत पड़ जाएगी. He will get accustomed to this. He bends down and this time in Bengali, calmly and quietly asks Gogol to please answer when Mrs. Lapidus asks a question. सो अब वो झुककर उसको बंगाली में समझा रहा है, वो अब इंग्लिश में भी नहीं समझा रहा है क्योंकि मिसेस गांगुली हर चीज पे ऑब्जेक्ट कर रही है, उसको वो इम्पेशेंट हो रहा है इस चीज को लेके। एंड वो उसको बंगाली में समझाता है कि प्लीज आंसर करो, मिसेस लैपिडस जो भी पूछ रही है उसका आंसर ठीक से दो। डोंट बी स्कैर्ड गोगोल, ही सेज, रेजिंग हिज सन्स चिन विद हिज फिंगर्स, यू आर अ बिग बॉय नाउ। सो उसका ऐसे, उसने अपना मुंह झुका के खड़ा हुआ है तो उसका पापा उसका ऐसे चिन ऊपर करके बोलता है कि you are a big boy now, so don't be so scared. Answer whenever you are asked a question. Though Mrs. Lapidus does not understand a word, she listens carefully and hears that name again, Gogol. उसको अब बंगाली में तो कुछ समझ नहीं आया जो भी अशोक गांगुली ने बोला, बट उसको एक चीज समझ आई, which is Gogol. Okay. Lightly in pencil, she writes it down on the registration form. एंड वो चुपचाप धीरे से पेंसिल से रजिस्ट्रेशन फॉर्म पे गोगोल लिख देती है, बिकॉज उसको समझ आ रहा है दैट दैट बच्चा, दिस छोटू बच्चा निखिल, ही सॉरी, he doesn't want to be called Nikhil, he prefers Gogol. So Mrs. Lapidus sees that, and she sees this, that maybe the parents are forcing this child to take this name Nikhil, whereas he doesn't want it. So वो अपना चुपचाप वहाँ पे नाम लिख देती है. Ashok hands over the lunch box and a windbreaker in case it gets cold. Windbreaker, a jacket which will cheat the wind. We call it wind cheater also. So ठंड है क्योंकि, तो वो गोगोल को उसका लंच बॉक्स भी देता है और एक जैकेट भी देता है, आपका यहाँ पे थिन कोट which can resist the cold or the rain. So he gives that to Nikhil. He thanks Mrs. Lapidus and then गोगोल को क्या बोलता है, be good Nikhil, he says in English. And this time he doesn't call him Gogol. This time he says, be good Nikhil, because उसे पता है मिसेस लैपिडस सुन रही है और वो ये भी चाहता है कि गोगोल को निखिल सुनने की आदत हो जाए, right? So he addresses him Nikhil. And then after a moment's hesitation, he is gone. और थोड़ा सा रुक कर फिर वो वहां से चले जाता है. When they are alone, Mrs. Lapidus asks, are you happy to be entering elementary school, Gogol? And now Mrs. Lapidus, after Ashok Ganguly has left, calls Gogol Gogol, right? She's like, are you happy? Are you excited कि तुम एक नया स्कूल स्टार्ट कर रहे हो, तुम एलिमेंट्री स्कूल स्टार्ट कर रहे हो, और उसमें उसको गोगोल बोलती है. My parents want me to have another name in school. And Gogol now confides in her and says, he opens up, he's like, मेरे मम्मी पापा मुझे फोर्स कर रहे हैं, they want me to have another name. And what about you, Gogol? Do you want to be called by another name? After a pause, he shakes his head. He says no. कुछ बोलता नहीं है, बट वो मना कर देता है जब उसको वो पूछते हैं कि चलो ठीक है पेरेंट्स फोर्स कर रहे हैं, लेकिन क्या तुम चाहते हो कि तुम्हारा नाम चेंज हो? एंड गोगोल सेज नो. इज दैट अ नो? एंड देन वो पूछती है कि तुम ना, मतलब ऐसे वो मना, वो सिर्फ ही नॉड्स हिज हेड. सो शी आस्क्स हिम कि क्या तुम मना कर रहे हो? इज दैट अ नो? एंड देन ही नॉड्स हिज हेड. Yes. Then it is settled. Can you write your name on this piece of paper? She says, okay, fine. You don't want to change your name, so fine. It is totally up to you. Now we see a different culture. So in Indian culture, basically, parents have more say and control in a child's life. आजकल ऐसा नहीं होता है, लेकिन पहले तो ऐसा बहुत ज्यादा होता था. And in fact, when Indian parents go abroad, they don't want their children to get lost in the American culture. Okay, so they try to keep the children close to their culture. And इसमें क्या होता है, काफी ज्यादा रेजिस्टेंस भी आती है बच्चों से. एंड देन पेरेंट्स जो है वो फोर्स भी करने लग जाते हैं कि नहीं नहीं, हम इंडियंस हैं तो ऐसे ही रहना है, या हमें अपने प्रैक्टिसेस फॉलो करने हैं, हम अमेरिकन नहीं है. सो वी हैव सीन दिस अ लॉट ऑफ टाइम्स हैपनिंग इन मूवीज. और ये क्यों इतना आता है मूवीज में? बिकॉज दिस इज एक्चुअली अ प्रॉब्लम. लोगों को आइडेंटिटी क्राइसिस होता है. पेरेंट्स फील दैट हमारा बच्चा बिगड़ जाएगा या हमारा बच्चा दूसरे कल्चर को फॉलो करने लग जाएगा, अपने कल्चर की रिस्पेक्ट नहीं करेगा, तो वो कुछ ज्यादा ही फोर्सफुल हो जाते हैं. एंड यहाँ पर क्योंकि अमेरिकन हैव दिस थिंग कि ओके फाइन, किड्स को थोड़ा लिबर्टी होता है, दैट यू नो यू कैन चूज द कोर्सेज यू वांट टू डू, ओके यू कैन चूज योर नेम. तो वो यहाँ पर उसको वो लिबर्टी दे रही है. एंड शी सेज कि क्या तुम अपना ये गोगोल नाम जो है इस पीस ऑफ पेपर पे लिख सकते हो? Gogol picks up a pencil, grips it tightly, and forms the letters of the only word he has learned thus far to write from memory, getting the L backward due to nerves. Due to nerves मतलब थोड़ा सा नर्वस हो गया है, बट वो पेन उठाता है, वो पेंसिल उठाता है, उसको फर्मली ग्रिप करता है, कॉन्फिडेंटली वो अब वो लेटर्स लिखने वाला है जो उसने आज तक वही लेटर्स याद की. He just knows how to write Gogol. उसने बचपन से वही सीखा है, right? And he's due to nerves, he's a little anxious, थोड़ा सा नर्वस है. So वो नर्वसली सिर्फ गोगोल लिखता है, और जब वो गोगोल भी लिखता है तो वो क्या करता है, वो एल उल्टा लिख देता है, स्पेलिंग राइटिंग द एल बैकवर्ड्स. तो वो क्योंकि डरा हुआ है, नर्वस है, तो वो एल उल्टा लिख देता है. सो ही जस्ट मेक्स दैट इनोसेंट मिस्टेक. व्हाट ब्यूटिफुल penmanship you have, Mrs. Lapidus says. So वो उसको अब encourage कर रही है ताकि वो comfortable हो जाए Mrs. Lapidus के साथ. So उसकी तारीफ कर रही है. She says, wow, what beautiful penmanship you have. Penmanship मतलब handling, the skill of handling the pen. That means writing, she probably means here. So what beautiful handwriting you have. She tears up the old registration form and asks Mrs. McNabb to type up a new one. एंड क्योंकि अब उसको प्रॉब्लम समझ आ गई है, उसे पता है कि गोगोल को अपना नाम निखिल नहीं रखना है, सो शी टीयर्स द ओल्ड रजिस्ट्रेशन फॉर्म, फाड़ देती है वो, और वो मिसेस मैकनैप अपनी सेक्रेटरी को बोलती है कि आप एक नया रजिस्ट्रेशन फॉर्म बनाओ गोगोल के लिए. देन शी टेक्स गोगोल बाय द हैंड एंड दे वॉक डाउन अ हॉलवे विद पेंटेड सीमेंट वॉल्स. अब वो उसको एक स्कूल का थोड़ा सा टूर दे रही है, सो वो एक हॉलवे में लेके जाती है जहाँ पे पेंटेड सीमेंट वॉल्स है. She opens a door and Gogol is introduced to his teacher. अब उसको उसकी क्लास में लेके गई है. Gogol is introduced to his teacher. Miss Watkins, a woman with hair in 2 braids, wearing overalls and clogs. So now this is a woman who has 2 braids and she's wearing overalls and clogs. वो लंबे कपड़े coat types पहना हुआ है, overalls. Inside the classroom, it's a small universe of nicknames. And Gogol realizes that in the classroom, it's a small universe of nicknames. That means everyone has nicknames. So छोटी सी अपनी एक दुनिया है यहाँ पर, right? Underline this line. They might ask कि what does this mean or explain, right? वो reference to context में आ सकता है. So यहाँ पर क्या हो रहा है? How is it a universe of nicknames? Andrew is Andy. Alexandra is Sandy. William is Billy. Elizabeth is Lizzie. So, like I said earlier, जैसे मिसेस प्रिंसिपल ने Lapidus ने हाईलाइट किया था या पिन पॉइंट किया था, that everyone has a liberty to be called with whichever name they want, official name or nickname, and that is why हमने अपने registration form में nickname के लिए जगह रखी है, right? So now these kids prefer, like Andrew prefers to be called Andy, Elizabeth prefers to be called Lizzie. So everyone has 2 names and आप जो भी आपको नाम पसंद है आप उससे उनको बुलाओगे, ऐसा लिबर्टी है बच्चों के पास. It is nothing like the schooling Gogol's parents have known. Fountain pens and polished black shoes and notebooks and good names and sir or madam at a young age. So now, I don't know if you guys have an experience of American classrooms, but they are quite different from the Indian classrooms. आपको प्रॉपर यूनिफॉर्म पहनना होता है. यू हैव टू कीप योर शूज पॉलिश. आई रिमेम्बर जब मैं स्कूल में थी, अगर हमारे स्कूल शूज पॉलिश नहीं होते थे तो हमें असेंबली के राइट आफ्टर असेंबली देयर वाज दिस वन पर्सन चेकिंग आवर शूज कि किसके पॉलिश्ड है किसके नहीं है. तो वो फिर अगर पॉलिश होते थे तो पनिशमेंट मिलती थी, राइट? सो वेरी स्ट्रिक्ट विद सर्टेन rules and regulations and appearances, but American schools are pretty different that way. They are a little easy on the kids, that there is no uniform, you can wear whatever you want to, whatever clothes you are comfortable in. Of course they cannot be obscene, but if you are decently dressed, so you can you're free to wear whatever, right? And secondly, Gogol के parents फाउंटेन पेन्स वाज अ मैंडेटरी. अभी यहाँ पर कुछ भी पेन से लिख सकते हैं. अब तो हमारे भी यहाँ पर थोड़ा ईज डाउन हो गया. यू गाइज कैन राइट विद बॉल पॉइंट पेन्स और इंक पेन्स, वट एवर यू गाइज प्रेफर, वट एवर यू आर कंफर्टेबल विद. तो वो है यहाँ पे. एंड सेकेंडली गुड नेम्स है. और गोगोल के पेरेंट्स जब स्कूल में थे तो मतलब एक गुड नेम है, ऑफिशियल नेम है, और एक निक नेम है जो घर पे बोला जाएगा. यहाँ पे सिर्फ गुड नेम से बुलाया जाएगा. लेकिन गोगोल देखता है कि यार यहाँ पर तो सब लोग एक दूसरे को निक नेम से ही बुला रहे हैं, राइट? एंड एवरीथिंग इज फाइन. The world is not falling apart, right? And sir or madam address karna. So you would call your teachers miss or sir, but in US classrooms there is no restriction or no compulsion as such. Even you can address your professor as Mr. such and such or Miss such and such, so you can take their names. ऐसा कोई वो डिसरिस्पेक्ट का साइन नहीं होता है वहां पर. बट गोगोल के लिए ये काफी डिफरेंट था, उसके पेरेंट्स के लिए भी ऑब्वियसली काफी डिफरेंट होगा. सो वी सी द कल्चरल डिफरेंसेस एवरीडे लाइफ के. जब एक इंडियन फैमिली अब्रॉड जाके सेटल होती है तो उनको किन किन चीजों को फेस करना होता है, हाउ इट इज डिफिकल्ट टू एडजस्ट एंड जेल इन. दीज आर द थिंग्स, दीज आर द स्मॉल थिंग्स दैट मेक अ डिफरेंस. सो अब यहाँ पे गोगोल ने डिफरेंस देखा. Question can be asked that how was Gogol's school different from the Indian schools or different from the schools his parents went to. ऐसे questions आ सकते हैं. So we see that here there is discipline and there is respect, but there is no unnecessary formality. कुछ ज़्यादा ही formal नहीं है, right? They are casual and they are student friendly. कि students जो चीजें करने में comfortable है, they give encouragement to that. Now, okay. At the end of his first day, he is sent home with a letter to his parents from Mrs. Lapidus, explaining that due to their son's preference, mark this, underline करो इसे, बच्चे की preference है, okay? Due to their son's preference, he will be known as Gogol at school. What about the parents' preference? Ashima and Ashok wonder, shaking their heads. It's like, बच्चे की मर्जी, हमारी मर्जी का क्या, पेरेंट्स की मर्जी का क्या, राइट? सो एक जो कंट्रोलिंग इंडियन पेरेंट्स होते हैं, वी सी दैट हियर, दैट हमारा बच्चा है तो हम उसे जो मर्जी बोले या जैसे मर्जी रखें, बट दे डोंट कंसिडर द चाइल्ड्स चॉइस, द चाइल्ड्स विश. यहाँ पर वही हो रहा है. वो कह रहे हैं कि अच्छा बच्चे की मर्जी है, हमारी मर्जी क्या, हम जो चाहते हैं वो क्यों नहीं हो रहा है. बट सिंस नीदर ऑफ देम फील्स कंफर्टेबल प्रेसिंग द इशू, दे हैव नो चॉइस बट टू गिव इन. बट दोनों में से कोई भी इस इशू को और ज्यादा प्रेस नहीं करना चाहता था और ज्यादा ड्रैग नहीं करना चाहता था, इसके ऊपर और कॉन्वर्सेशन नहीं करना चाहते थे. तो दे बोथ गिव इन, रेजन दे बोथ अग्रीड कि ओके फाइन, लेट हिम बी कॉल्ड गोगोल इन स्कूल ऑल्सो. सो नो डार्क नाम, हिज डार्क नाम इज ऑल्सो हिज गुड नाम नाउ, गुड नेम, सॉरी. ओके. एंड सो गोगोल्स एजुकेशन बिगिंस. एट द टॉप ऑफ sheets of scratchy pale yellow paper, he writes out his pet name again and again, as well as the alphabet in capitals and lowercase. So याद करो वो टाइम जब इसके पेरेंट्स ने इसको एक पीस ऑफ पेपर दिया था और बोला था कि उसके ऊपर निखिल 10 बार लिखो. अब वो क्या कर रहा है, he is writing his name Gogol again and again and again, कभी small letters में, कभी capital letters में. So now this is a way he is asserting his identity and his choice that I am not Nikhil, I am Gogol. So you better call me Gogol. So this is how he has asserted his will. Okay, and it's a big thing for him. So he's writing his name again and again. He learns to add and subtract and to spell his first words. On the front covers of his textbooks, he writes his name in pencil. In art class, his favorite hour of the week, he carves his name with pencil clips into the bottoms of clay cups and bowls. So जो चीजें वो क्रिएट कर रहा है अपने नोटबुक्स के ऊपर अपना नाम लिख रहा है, अपने जो वो आर्ट क्लास जो कि उसकी फेवरेट क्लासेस हैं वीक की, उसमें भी वट एवर ही इज मेकिंग उसके नीचे वो गोगोल इंस्क्राइब कर रहा है. He pastes uncooked pasta on the cupboard and leaves his signature in fat brush strokes blow paintings. Day after day, he brings his creation home to Ashima, who hangs them proudly on the refrigerator door. Gogol G. So he signs his name always like this, Gogol Ganguly, right? And he every day, whatever he is creating, चाहे वो पास्ता, uncooked pasta create कर रहा है, बना के कुछ उससे create कर रहा है, या वो art classes में कुछ बना रहा है, everywhere he is signing himself as Gogol G. And he brings that to Ashima every day, जो कि उसको संभाल के रखती जा रही है उन सब चीजों को. Gogol G, he signs his work in the lower right hand corner as if there were a need to distinguish him from any other Gogol in the school. Mark this line, funny tone भी है और question भी आ सकता है. तो नाम तो वो अपना ऐसे लिख रहा है जैसे कि उसकी चीजें खो जाएंगी बिकॉज वहां पे स्कूल में और बथेरे गोगोल्स हैं. ऐसा तो है नहीं. दिस इज जस्ट अ वेरी रेयर नेम दैट ही हैज, राइट? एंड उसका सामान तो कभी खो ही नहीं सकता. लाइक एक ही गोगोल है पूरे स्कूल में. but वो लिखता ऐसे है जैसे कि खो जाएगा. So now basically he writes his name everywhere so that, I mean, he doesn't say it clearly, but he writes it everywhere to press this on everyone that his name is Gogol. He loves this name, he is proud of this name, and he wants to stick to this name, right? And there we come to the end of this chapter. So now I hope you have enjoyed the chapter. I have a couple of questions that I can discuss right now quickly. Like Gogol's parents try to remove the boy's fear by teaching him something, making a promise. What do they teach and promise him? So you have to look and find answers for these questions. आपके बुक में पीछे जैसे ये क्वेश्चंस दिए हुए हैं, I think it's on page 30. My version of the book, my edition has it on page 30. Try and find answers to these questions. और जिनको इनमें कोई डाउट आता है तो हम इसको Google sessions में, Zoom sessions में handle कर सकते हैं. We will address to them. But now come and let's check the reference to context questions. कैसे पूछे जा सकते हैं? So look at the first one. Mrs. Lapidus nods. The reason being, the nod means she accepts. What does she accept? वो क्या accept कर रही है? क्या लगता है आपको? She is accepting that Nikhil's father wants him to be called Nikhil in school. So is she really accepting that, or she is accepting ki why? I mean, he's giving an explanation that why he wants his son to be called Nikhil and not Gogol, and why the birth certificate and other documents bear the name Gogol. So he's going to explain that here, and she accepts. Okay, fine, I'm listening. Explain it to me, right? Then she then asks for the reason. Reason for what? Reason for having different names in the registration form and the birth certificate and other documents for his son. So this is the reason she's asking for. Is Ashok able to explain the reason? No. Mrs. Lapidus is confused. Okay, और वो अशोक के जाने के बाद गोगोल से ही directly बात करके सारी चीजें clear करती है. What does he say and what effect does it have on Mrs. Lapidus? So Ashok Ganguly says that we have this practice, or we have different names, and we want the official name to be Nikhil, and this is Gogol is his nickname. We just call him at home as Gogol, right? So he says this, and Mrs. Lapidus is at loss. She's confused, right? And she realizes that she's not going to get a very logical explanation from the father. So when the father leaves, she asks the child that भैया तुम क्या चाहते हो, क्या ये सब scene है? And after talking to the child, she completely tears off the registration form filled by the father with Nikhil as the name on it, and she suggests she sends a letter. She's asserting कि भाई तुम्हारा बच्चा ये चाहता है, इसीलिए we are going to call him Gogol. Okay, and इससे वो सारा conversation, जो सारी confusion है या जो भी arguments है वहीं पे खत्म हो जाते हैं. Fine. So now this is all about the story, and we will have more discussions on this in the Zoom sessions. And till that time, please read the chapter and learn the important word meanings. It is very important that you should know the word meanings. I'm going to ask you, so please be prepared for that. And I'm going to ask you questions. सोचो कि theme क्या है story की? What is the theme? What is the basic message or theme here? Second, setting क्या है story की? Where is the story set? That you have to think about, and the plot and the characters. So we'll have all the detailed discussions in the Zoom sessions. Fine. So I will meet you again with another session very soon. Till then, please take care of your health and your studies, and take rest. Be safe. Bye bye guys.